Good morning, dear cadets. So we are in the last leg of this chapter, that is wastewater story. The last topic is sanitation at public place. Okay. So first of all, what do you mean by public place? Public place is hospital, bus stop, railway stations, hospitals, circles, chauraha, isn't it or not? The roadside, these are public places and people used to visit these places frequently. Gardens, correct or not? So just try to understand, as far as our country is concerned, the sanitation is very poor in public places. Okay, whatever states, whatever city you visit, almost in public places very poor sanitation is there. So the first question arises here, what are the causes, what are the main cause behind the poor sanitation at public place? So just try to understand. I wrote here, there are some reasons. Just see, the first reason is due to periodic organization of fair. Just see, in our country what is there, almost every month, every week, fairs are being organized periodically. So whenever fairs are being organized, so many people are taking part, isn't it? Yatra, festivals, whatever things are there, just a large number of people will gathered there. And when so many people are gathered there, definitely they will defecate, they will excrete. So this is the main reason behind the poor sanitation at public places. Okay, first reason, due to fairs. Second one is there, just see, India is a populated country, hugely populated country. So there is a lot of crowd in public places like bus stop, airports, hospitals, railway stations. So this is also one of the reason of poor sanitation at public places. Large crowd at bus stop, airports and hospitals will give you the suggestions also to improve the sanitation at public places. Now another reason is lack of awareness among the people. What is there? People are not properly aware about the importance of sanitation at public place, isn't it? Correct? This is also one of the reason. Now in our country what is there? Nowadays government is serious about this one. So they are enforcing the stringent law. Otherwise what was there? Lack of stringent guidelines. That was also not there earlier. This was also the main cause behind the poor sanitation at public place. Another one is lack of adequate dustbin. Lack of adequate dustbin. In public places what should be there? Adequate dustbins should be there. Otherwise what is there? 1-2 dustbin is there and people has to move one place to another place. Then what is there? Wherever they will find, they will throw the things. So if adequate dustbins are there, then what would be there? People have not to move one place to another place. Every place's dustbin is there and they will throw the things there. So these are the main causes behind the poor sanitation at public place. And now wherever causes are there, solution is also there. So what are the suggestion? Here I wrote suggestion to improve sanitation at public place. How can we improve the sanitation at public place? So very easily we can improve the sanitation at public place. Number one is, what was the first reason? Due to fairs. So what should be there? Limited number of people should be allowed to take part in the fairs. What is there? It should not be so crowded. Only limited number, 10,000, 5,000 people only should be allowed to take part in the fairs. Okay, this will be the most important reason to curb the poor sanitation problem. Okay, another one thing is there, effective garbage disposal system should be installed at public place. So just see, garbage. Just see, in all public places what is there, huge amount of garbage is generated. So their effective disposal system should be there. If effective disposal system is there, then only garbage problem can be sorted out at public place. Another one is there, people should be educated about it. Now whatever rules, whatever laws you enforce, there must be some problem until unless people are educated about it. So first of all, people should be educated about the importance of sanitation at public places. Now another important thing is there, just see, rules are there, guidelines are there, but their stringent enforcement is not there. So those guidelines and laws should be enforced strictly, then all these problems will be sorted out. There may be so many suggestions, but just try to understand, keeping in mind the position of country and condition of the people here. If these things are checked properly, definitely the sanitation problem may be sorted out from our country as far as public places are concerned. Okay, so these are the last leg of this particular topic. Now at last, what is the conclusion? It doesn't mean that only government can do everything. This is the responsibility of each and every individual of our country to keep our surrounding neat and clean. Okay, if everybody, all citizen of country is gear up for keeping our environment, our surrounding neat and clean, so automatically there is no need of stringent law and all those things. Correct or not? Whatever suggestions, whatever things, whatever guidelines are there, if all citizens will follow that one, then there won't be any problem as far as sanitation is concerned at public place. Okay, so in this way almost this chapter is completely completed. Now after this one, what is there? Only NCERT exercise is left. So I will complete the NCERT exercise also, but before the completion of this chapter, I would like to tell the quote of Mahatma Gandhi. What he told: no one need to wait for anyone else to adopt a humane and enlightened course of action. So now somewhere I should write what Mahatma Gandhi told. Just I am rubbing this one. No one should wait. Just see. No one need to wait anyone else to adopt a humane and enlightened course of action. Okay, so this is the quote. What is the meaning of this one? Means we should start ourselves only if each and everyone is ready to do. What is the meaning of this one? No one need to wait anyone else. Here please add this word, for. No one need to wait for anyone else to adopt a humane and enlightened course of action. The meaning of this one is each and everyone should be ready to do good work, okay, which is beneficial for the humankind. Okay, in this way this chapter is completely completed. Now note down certain questions. What is that question? The number one question is, what is the cause of, write the causes of poor sanitation. Write the causes of poor sanitation at public place. Question number 1. Now question number 2. Write some ways for improvement of poor sanitation at public place. Okay, so just see, 2 questions only I am giving you. I hope that already their answer and explanation I have given, so very easily you can understand it. Thank you. Now tomorrow onwards we will start the NCERT exercise.